This is the financial G-spot, right? You are focusing on this area, focusing on making more money, focusing on getting that debt paid off. That's the area you're focusing on first. What will life be like? Just imagine that day when you have paid off that debt and you have a savings and now you're working towards your business with a plan. What is that going to feel like? Tell me about your money orgasm.
Girl.
It's that good.
Oh, it's going to be good.
It's going to be good. So I wanted to see that face, and you know what that's like for you and for everybody. Everybody is different. Everybody has a different financial G-spot, different place that they need to focus, and everyone has a different ultimate goal. And it's really about what you're after, the feeling that you're after. So remember, focus. Focus on that area, the specific spot, so that you can have your money orgasm. Ecstasy, total abundance, financial freedom. You deserve it, so get right to it. I'm Robin Crane. Thanks for tuning in to the Financial G-Spot. I will see you next week on the Whatever It Takes Network.